Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to check how we can check the time spent on Facebook. So first of all, you have to install Facebook and you will be using your Facebook on the mobile app. Most of us use the mobile app for browsing Facebook instead of web. So after you log into Facebook, click on the three lines and go to the settings. And under settings and privacy, you can see there is your time on Facebook. So when you click on it, you can see that I have used 11 minutes of Facebook on Friday and 2 minutes today, which means the day I am uploading the video. So and I can see that there is daily reminder option, set daily reminder option. You can see that the current settings is 15 minutes. I'm going to change it to 5 minutes. Actually, you can set up to maximum 23 hours 55 minutes, which means 5 minutes less than a day. So I chose 0 hour 5 minutes for me to get the reminder when I'm using the Facebook for 5 minutes. And the important thing you need to understand, this time it's only for the application that's installed on this mobile. If you have two mobiles installed, if you have two mobiles that you are using and Facebook is installed on it, but the time will be separate, and if you are using the Facebook on web, it will not be counted as well. So this is specifically the time you are spending on Facebook using this mobile. So you can see that I have set it 5 minutes, and let's see, it's 4 minutes past. Let me scroll it a little bit. Now it's 4 minutes. I think it will be showing 5 minutes soon. You can see that I have spent 5 minutes on Facebook. You have spent 5 minutes on Facebook today. The remainder came after I finished 5 minutes. We have two options. We can edit the remainder or press OK. If you go to the edit remainder option, you can update the timing with, like, say for example 10 minutes, and other time, whatever time you want to get the second notification. And you have also delete remainder option. So this is how you can check the time you spent on Facebook. It's very easy, but it's very useful for the people who are socially Facebook addict. So thank you for watching guys. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for notification. Goodbye.